Calling. You don't wanna answer me. Baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Yeah, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. All day I've been calling.
Maybe I should've loved me first. Maybe I should've loved me first.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. I'll let you pronounce it however you may. Freaking fresh. Wow, yeah. So, how have y'all been? Alright, so let's get back into why we're filming this video. I have been gone for forever. I have been gone for forever and a day. I know, I apologize. In fact, I'm not even gonna fight y'all because I know, I'm wrong in every platform aspect, but I have legitimate reasons. And, hopefully another video we will delve into that, but this is just not the video for this right now. Anyways, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. This is a look. This is the look you need to be rocking. You need to be rocking this look, this period. But guess what? Guess what? This is under 20 minutes. You can look this gorgeous under 20 minutes. Like, you don't have to listen to other people be like, oh my god, it's been forever doing your makeup. Oh my god, blah, blah, blah. Like, I really cringe when people are like, oh my god, you're taking so long. So I'm happy now that I found something that I can do, that I can still look like slay worthy under 20 minutes. So I think y'all will be really excited to watch this video. Just, we're cutting down on products, cutting down on time, cutting down on money essentially. So hey, it's a win. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so we got 20 minutes on the clock. Now you can see, there we go. We're gonna start off with our brows today. I don't know if I should talk throughout this video or not, just because I know it's going to take more time, but I'll try to see as much as I can. Anything I don't mention right now is going to be in the description box below, okay? I just took 20 seconds telling you that. So I'm going to be doing my brows right now with the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. I recently started using this product and I really like it so far. I love how precise it is, except the fact that it actually breaks off really easy. So that's kind of a no-no for me. So I think honestly the trick for me is if I can keep my brows under 5 minutes, the rest will actually be a lot faster. I find that doing my face doesn't take me as long as actually doing my brows, guys. I'm not even playing. So next I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my brows. I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color, why am I even telling you color? NC45. I'm just taking one pump of that. So next I'm going to be priming my face with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Taking one pump of that. And I actually really love this primer. It's also a drugstore product, so it's extra back to school friendly because it's very affordable. And you can get it in your local drugstore. I got mine I think from Walmart. Now I'm going into my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. I'm just going to take 2 pumps of that. There we go. And this foundation is a little dark for me, honestly. But you guys, I'd rather be looking like a chocolate goddess than, I don't know, Flashback Queen or something. So next, I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix powder. in the color NW45, and I'm just going to be using that to pat the foundation into my skin, like pretty much set the foundation. Pat the foundation. Wow. Wow. Alright, so next thing, we're going to go ahead with that leftover concealer that was on my hand, the one I used to clean up my brows. I'm just going to dab on my finger right here, and then I'm going to dab it right underneath my eyes. So we're trying to cover up our dark circles, guys. So for those of you guys that don't have this problem, thank God for you. Some of us do. And I don't want to hear anybody say I don't, because girl, you haven't seen me when I get back from work. Today's a good day. So, but yeah. So now we're going to go ahead with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm pretty much just going to be applying this generously. Listen, generously, ladies. Man, whoever's doing this tutorial, I don't care. But just generously in the areas that I normally highlight. And this is like, we're going to bake, okay? Like, I know some people don't bake. Baking is like back in 2015 type thing. But we're going to bake for this like tutorial, because putting a lot of product and letting it sit will just give the illusion that there's more, you know, like maybe that you actually used a cream and a powder, not just the powder. So I mean, this is kind of like highlighting. You're just using less product and you're missing like more steps, because you're not having to blend out like your highlighted areas, or like I normally let mine sit for a little bit, so I'm cutting some time with that, you know. Then next I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Not applying any cream products. I'm just going to be using this powder. It's LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder in the color Ebony. And I'm just going to be putting that in my contoured areas. So I'm trying to snatch this trick. You know I'm trying. Yay. Yes, girl. Snatched. But honestly, guys, like when I figured out that I could actually do my makeup in like without taking like forever and look good, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it felt good. Look at those snatch cheekbones, okay? I play too much, my gosh. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're pretty much just gonna go ahead and brush off the excess. Now going back into my powder, just going to blend it all together, okay? So now that we got that done, I'm going to be taking this Note blush, and it's in the color Desert Rose. Okay, and I'm pretty much just going to be using this to add some warmth to my eyelids. I'm also going to be using this as my official blush for this look. Look at that color. Like, I don't even know what to describe. It just looks like Desert Rose, girl. So next on the list, we're going to go ahead and just spray with the Mario Badescu spray. And be extra generous with it, okay? Because this will help like absorb, make your face look flawless AF. Alright, so next on my list, we are going to go ahead and what are we doing now? Whatever. Oh my god, my brows are making me laugh because they're just so off. They're so off. They're so off today, but today is not the day we're going to talk about my brows. So what next? So now while this is drying, so I can, you know, utilize my time, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to be using 3 products today. One is going to be my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. The other one is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona. And then I'm also going to be using the Wet n Wild Lip Gloss in the color Bronzeberry. Wow. I like. Okay, so now that my face has dried off, we're gonna go ahead and highlight, which is my favorite part. We're using the Illuminating Shimmer something. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I think this is by Ashley Tisdale. I think. Y'all just have to forgive me. I'm so new to like talking through my videos. Like, I'm usually the type that just does a voiceover for like makeup tutorials, or I'll like speed it up and don't talk. So I'm trying here. So going back into that blush, okay. I'm just going to use it and warm my chest up a little bit. Okay, I said a little bit of Gucci. Like, what is all of this? What is all this? So now for my under my lash line, my lower lash line, my waterline, whatever you want to call it, I'm just gonna go ahead and line this black. Then we're gonna go ahead and highlight like my inner tear ducts, just using the same highlight that I used earlier. So now, let me spray this one more time. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and finish again with my powder, just to like blend everything together. Spray again. So now we're pretty much done with the look. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on some mascara on my non-existent lashes. I might go ahead and put on false lashes. Most likely I will, because my lashes are like non-existent. But you can pretty much wear the look like this. You don't have to go ahead and put falsies on. I know a lot of people do not just like doing falsies. I honestly like have to, because I don't have any lashes. But occasionally I do wear it out like this though. Can y'all hear that? Time up. Like, do you feel like you can go out with a face like this if the time's up? Yes. Pretty much, yeah, we're done with this all. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on some false lashes just because it's a YouTube video, it's fun, it's cute. And yeah, I'm gonna be using the C lashes today, and I'm using it in the style Pearl. I will put these on and I will be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. But yeah, go ahead and watch all my other videos. Share with your friends. Show me some love. Actually like this video, like with the thumbs up button if you actually like it. And also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you receive all the shout outs, all the notifications whenever I post. If you like my shirt, then please watch my next video where I will be showing you guys a cute back to school haul featuring the shirts. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. God willing, stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.